Larry. Bishop is B-I-S-H-O-P and Larry is L-A-R-R-Y.
Thank you, Lord.
Tatlo nga yung yung R kaya lang, dalawa lang yung R sa Larry. Okay po. So, Bishop Larry. Sa Bishop po is B. Wala niyo po. Benevolent. Ay, kung tayo meron po basket dito po ang benevolence. Benevolent. Ano po ibig sabihin ng benevolent? Ano po si Bishop? Mabait, mapagkawa-gawa, mabuting tao, compassionate, very makatao, di po ba? I is, hindi mo kayo, alam ko mag-agree kayo dito, industrious, super sipag. Hindi ko natin i-elaborate. S is strong. Strong in good and sound health. Sturdy. Nag-aaral pa nga tangling, di po ba? Substantially built. Robust. H, eto na. H is honorable. Kagaling-galang. Nothing is more respectable than to be a bishop serving God and serving God's people. Letter O, very optimistic po si Bishop. Expecting the best possible outcome from an attitude of skepticism or resistance. Sinusunod ko si Bishop kasi huwag na makilala ko siya, nakita ko po yung kahalagahan ng salitang optimistic. Kaya medyo naging optimistic na rin po. And letter P, persistent to the point of being stubborn. Sorry, Bishop. Stubborn ka. But you're very persistent. Okay, Larry. L is learned. Possessing systematic knowledge, scholarly, erudite. Diba? Lahat ng topic alam niya. Lively, full of life, energetic, vigorous, full of spirit. And then L is, tatlo, pala yung letter L. Loving, affectionate. A is, isa lang to, adventurous. Diba? Audacious. Finds joy, fun, fulfillment in traveling. R, resilient and reliable. Diba? Nakaka-adjust siya eh. Kahit sino makaharap mo sa kanya, okay siya. Meron siya magandang response. Y is youthful person, possessing a youthful spirit and attitude, vigorous, energetic, and fresh. Yun lamang po, naway na honor kayo.
Thank you po. Grabe naman, naiyak ako ron